everyone, welcome back. So today's video is a Primark haul and a come shopping with me. It's like 40 degrees, it's not, it's like 27 degrees, but it's really hot. I suffer when it comes to the heat, my fibromyalgia flares. I'm very sweaty because of medication anyway. It's just a very difficult time. The fringe will be put away for a little while. So I wanted to share with you my shopping trip. I went with Jodes. We went to the new Primark in Westfield, Shepherd's Bush, and it was super fun. So here is that footage. We're here, guys. This is my shopping partner for the day, Jodes, aka camera woman. As we enter.
Do you know what? I'm really happy that it's the small camera. I get a right arm workout doing that other one.
We cannot find the Primark.
Right, good with directions.
Help us. Jodie asked, she was brave, and we are on our way finally to Primark. The new one.
Yeah, it's exciting.
The new one.
It's really cool.
Let me know if you guys have been here yet.
Yeah.
See if it outweighs Tottenham Court Road Primark. See if it beats it. We shall see.
If it does, then that is
again, guys, look at all the colour.
So cool.
I'm like, that is a Hannah Gale dress if I ever saw one. Does she?
I'm sure she does.
Those are Jode's culottes if I ever saw them.
Yeah.
Ah, a mood.
What does it say?
When there's no free Wi-Fi.
Literally me.
That's us. This is
you when there's no drinks. When you need about 10.
Stop.
Sorry, I have plans. That is
sleeping. Isn't that me?
That is you. That's a bit of you, that.
100%. You'll be like, oh, do you want to come? Do you want to come? And I'm like, I'm asleep.
I'm asleep. I'm sleeping that day. I love that. I love all the Disney.
Oh, this is cute.
It's cute, isn't it?
I can see you in this.
That's a bit of me.
You like this?
I like that.
I feel like I could laze in this.
Yeah. That's making me hungry, that. I'm Mackie's now. Got loads of bikinis. I'm here for all the Disney stuff. Oh my god, so cute. If you were going to like Disney World or something,
100%.
You'd be kitted out here, wouldn't you?
I'm gonna get some Love Island merch.
Oh my god, me too. What's going on with this lighting? Oh, it's better here.
I'm still not sure where things are.
We need to get our bearings, don't we, babes? It's a vibe. Wow! You can always rely on Primark.
But I also want some like tortoiseshell ones, but not those. I saw some on Instagram that they posted. I loved, but I haven't seen them.
They have literally.
I'm quite enjoying those.
They're cool. I can see you in them. You've got some quite like that, right?
Maybe.
I think you have. I don't know why, but when I see like straw hats, is that what you call it?
Yeah.
And straw bags and stuff, I just think of you.
Oh, thank you.
I like the out of office one over there.
That is cute. That would make a good Insta flag.
Yeah, it would. And I really like that little backpack too.
Oh.
Them.
Found
Wait,
them.
focus.
I wanted them on ASOS and I found them here.
They're amazing. I want some red tassely earrings.
I mean, girl.
I know.
I mean, they're quite pink. Wait, I found them.
What, red?
Yes.
Stop it.
They're like that. Tiered. Is that allowed?
I think so. I want it to wear with this outfit.
Perfect.
It's a bit of me, that.
I mean,
in pink.
I mean, is it not working? I mean, why aren't we wearing? Oh my gosh, there is a pink one.
I know, that's what I was
Why
saying.
aren't we wearing these? I feel like this is like
Let's wear them
tourist
tonight.
starter kit.
Yeah, I love it. Disney Pride. How cute.
I'm buying one, and then Rupert. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put it on Rupert's harness.
Oh, it's so cute.
Because he is a proud LGBT supporter.
LGBT
so cute.
Even got the ears on the thing.
Oh. Do we get it? Do we get it?
Love
what
it.
do you think? It's a whole £3.
It's quite expensive.
It is, yeah.
A bit steep.
It's a bit steep.
Oh, they're cute though.
I need a big one. I need like a massive one. I'll
Never
end up
ever.
getting this, won't I?
Bring it on. Yeah, that's a good thumbnail bag, that.
What's that song? She's like, avocado. Oh, is that guacamole?
I think it's guacamole.
Me.
It's aesthetically pleasing, isn't it?
Yeah.
It really is.
I love it because it's tidy.
It's tidy.
Oh, Joe, do you remember when we used to do this on your back?
Yeah, it actually used to really help. If you want to get one and do it in taxi,
I'm alright.
feel free. You would.
Probably.
Don't know why I found these really attractive. Spotted the Love Island section. Oh, I love.
I'm like, everybody get it.
I really want the pyjamas.
Hashtag sort.
I love it. Keeping my options open, me in life.
No, I like when all Alex does is
I like this.
hell.
I like
And
this.
he just goes, hell. Let's flamingo on.
What's this?
I
it's
should have been on the island. Hashtag sort. Oh, hats.
cute.
I've got a tear.
I've got a tear. That's cool.
Speak to me after Love Island.
And now, of course, what I bought on that trip. So I've got 2 bags. They're in a really random order because I showed my mum everything that I'd bought and then put it all back. So it's just, it makes no sense. I'm just sorry, we're at a different angle because it's too bright to use the artificial lights and the lighting is going to be warm toned. If it's barking, I'm going to get progressively like sweaty because the fan's too noisy. I just don't know what I'm doing. So first off, I got some earrings. Now these actually came in a set, which I will have to find later because I've only got these right now because I have worn them. And they are these really cute little tortoise shell hoop earrings. They look this size. And yeah, I wanted to get some like this from ASOS, but obviously like I say obviously as if you know, they were quite a lot smaller and they were thicker as well, so these were perfect and also a lot cheaper. So Primark is a win-win situation and I really love those. I did get another pair as well, so I'll find those soon. I mean, right now this is just going to be 11 out of 10 for fanning. I bought this just because I wanted something Love Island that I'm actually going to use. So this just says off to Flamingo on Love Island. It reminds me of a school, my high school like homework diary or whatever they were called, because we had like a frosted page and then the book. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if all schools did that or just mine, but it reminded me. This was £3.50 for some good old Love Island merch. I got these sunglasses. I like the cat eye style, but I also obviously like there's the trend of the really super skinny glasses, but I just would look stupid. Some people can really pull them off and look super cool. Not me, that wouldn't be me. Cool is not something I would use in my vocab to describe self. But I really like these. I thought they were good. I don't know if I'm going to put them on because I'm going out and I don't want to like ruin hair. They would look like this. They just look like goggles when I do that. Oh, I just popped them here. Oh, such a look. But I really like these, and these were like £2 something, £3 maybe. But I've got the black pair, so I just wanted to get the white pair as well. I got this top just to like chill in. But in this weather, I will just be bare-legged because it's too hot to be clothed. And it's baggy and it's stripy, and it says, "You are my sunshine," in nice little slanty yellow font. I liked it. This is really hard to show, and it's really hard to like put on. It is a polka dot blue wrap tea dress type jobby, and it's polka dot and it's really cute and it's got frills at the bottom. This was £10. I'm like not used to filming with hair all out of face, so I feel like I look like an egg. So sorry about that. Sorry if I'm making you crave a boiled egg. I got this top because I really like pink and red together. Like I really like that. And this was £4 and it just says Sunday with a love heart. I just thought again I can work with this, wear like a red skirt with that or just chill in it. I mean I could put it on now. I won't because I'm in a dress, but I like it. So Jodie actually discovered these. These are Primark Ideal for Travel mini straighteners, handbag size, full performance for a £5. Just because so many times I take my straighteners to London. I mean, sometimes it's just for like a safety blanket and like I can plug them in and like straighten my fringe if I need to, because sometimes if I get very hot and sweaty, I don't wear a fringe, but I get hot anyway, so my fringe flicks and I don't like that, so I can straighten it down. Or like these bits in this kind of weather, I still get hot and sweaty and these bits suffer and like I get kinks, and if I've got like an event in the evening and I need to sort my hair out, then I need some straighteners, and these are oh, I'm already like wet. I'm such a catch. I haven't tried these yet, but look how small and cute they are. Like this is ideal for these bits. Like wow. Obviously they're not on because they're not plugged in. But I just thought like if these work, then this is a game changer because I don't have to bring like a big bag. So fingers crossed. And we've got a little pouch, but I wouldn't bring the pouch. I live on the edge. I forgot I got these ones. These are £3 sunglasses. But these look like the Chloe ones, do we not think? I've seen so many people wear sunglasses, the pink Chloe sunglasses, but girl, I break sunglasses and I'm not gonna break like £300 worth of glasses. So these were £3 and I can get the same vibe. Oh, I love them. I really like these. I really like round glasses. So they're like pinky, nudie blush colour. I love them. Oh yes, they're doing things for me. They're doing things for me. Will I bring them tonight on my meal? Yeah. I will. Oh, these are the earrings that came with those. So they're just like silver twisty hoops, and the set was £3 and they are the silver ones. Jodes wanted these, so these are Jodes. I mean, I could try and pull them off, but these are for Jodie. She was going to put them on there and then because she was wearing like a red outfit, and then we just both forgot and I ended up taking them home, so I'll give these back to her when I see her. Got a baby micellar water for £1 because this is my favourite everyday staple, and what if I want to take my makeup off on the train home, which is quite likely. This. Bag number 2. This is like the most random purchase, but it's like one of my favourites and one of Rupert's favourites. See here, Teddy. I don't know what section this was in, I just saw this Teddy and I was like, this is so precious, like its tiny little legs, its little chunky body, look at that. And Rupert sleeps with it like this, and it's just the cutest thing. And they do other variations of soft Teddy and like a pig. What else do they do? A duck. I need the collection. Next up, I got this dress, and here is me wearing it. So here is where I have a bone to pick with Primark sizing, because some of the like clothes that I buy from Primark, I would say like I'm a 14. 14 maybe, 16, 14, I don't know. And sometimes like I can fit into a 12 at Primark, sometimes it's just 14 or 16. This is a 20, and obviously like body size and image is very different for other people, but I just know that I don't know, I just think it's really wrong that a size 20 is the same proportions as a size 14. I don't know. When I tried on the 14 and the 16, I was like, there's no chance. And this was the only other one, and this is just right. So I just think, I don't really know. It was about £10, and it's just this little Bardo black, and it's satin, and it's floral, and it's button down, but I have taken the buttons off. No, I haven't. The buttons are just undone right now. And it goes in and then out. But I do really like it, but again, it's just the sizing situation, but I guess just get whatever size of clothes like that fits. Like, don't look at the label, don't look at the size, just hold it up and think, yeah, that looks about right, try it on. So I wanted to inject some more colour in my wardrobe. It's just white, and I mean I love white clothing. I think that because I'm really pale, I like white clothes, it just works. Maybe, I don't know. I've got some pale blue, some pink obviously, but I really like yellow, so I saw this and I really enjoyed it, and it's stripy, and I feel like I would look like a fancy deck chair. So it's just this Bardo striped yellow number with little sleeves with little tied cuffs, and I just thought it was cute. It's like the cushions outside the Ivy Chelsea garden. Just looks like awning, and I really liked it, like a fancy deck chair. I got a pyjama set because I love pyjamas, but I feel like the sets that I have are all wintry, and at the moment I'm sleeping in the nude. And I have this fear that like something's gonna happen or go wrong, or like I'm gonna need, or like I don't know. I just have this fear that in the middle of the night I'm going to need to do something and I'm going to be nude. So yeah, this pyjama set was £12, and it is just a pastel pink stripy t-shirt, short sleeve shirt set with like piping around the sleeves and the collar and all that good stuff. Here are the little shorts. Here are the little shorts. I got this. This is the only bit of homeware I got, I think. Yeah. This was £2.50. It's just a pink little pot of fake flowers. I just thought it was quite cute. Put it in my bathroom maybe. Who knows? I got this pair of ruffly pink faux suede sliders. These were £4. You can't go wrong for £4. I thought they were like the most beautiful colour of pink ever. Average size 7. And yeah, I really like those. I just really like the ruffly vibe. I love a good canvas bag, and I had to get this. I said I really like pink and red together. Anna, you okay, hun? You okay, hun? I just liked it. What is this? Oh, £6 for this top, and I really like it. It looks like the ones that Topshop have in at the moment, so it's like got somewhat long but cropped short sleeves, and then it's like tight ruffled in the middle, and then it's cropped, which I don't really like, but it looks alright with clots. We can get away with that. And then it's like a little peplum. I just thought that was quite a cute little top, and I love all things polka dot. I have another pair of sunglasses. I didn't know I got more. £2 for these. Quite a basic, classic tortoise shell little somewhat cat eye. Who knew? Who knew? And then finally I got this black basket bag. Oh. Because I thought it was not. I've got a lot of basket bags, but I haven't got any black ones. And this one just says out of office in this like rope. out of office, and this was £8. I like it. It's a good size as well. Nice little beach bag, but also just day trips. Oh, and I also got these. So this is the other colour. This is the gold pair. So they're a lot more of the classic tortoisey shell colour with gold twisty hoops as well. So £3 again. And that is my Primark haul for the month of July. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a big fat thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you like coming shopping with me or if you just want me to like stick to a Primark haul. I quite like filming the shopping because I love watching people shopping and just seeing things and their first thoughts and things like that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you don't mind my full face in your face, and I feel a lot more safe with fringe and all this, but it's too darn hot. So I will see you in my next video.